In a modern society, people are often in hustle and bustle. We have to finish multiple tasks during a normal day, especially in offices and schools. But have you ever wondered, will older adults multitask more efficiently than the young adults, or vice versa? There are a number of studies suggesting that there is a correlation between age and multitasking performance. For example, a study in the University of New Mexico suggests that older adults do not multitask as fast as the younger adults, but they perform a higher accuracy on multitasking. In order to find out the correlation between age and multitasking performance, we devised an experiment involving collecting data from citizens of different ages.
We have invited 30 people to join our experiment. 15 of them are young men between 18 to 28 years old, and 15 of them are elders aged 45 to 60. We choose to have male participants only to reduce experimental error because there are evidence that shows gender will affect one's multitasking ability. Our participants are invited to join a test provided by Lab of the Wild. It is a test designed by the Harvard University. The test will take about 10 minutes and can be done with a laptop or a tablet. There are 2 tutorial stages before the test begins. The test is designed to have 4 parts with same requirement. Participants have to find and select an item provided by the program. All items are provided at the left-hand panel, while the shortcut panel on the right will provide items that were used before. Some symbols will appear multiple times, so choosing them from the shortcut panel will save testers time. In some sections, participants will be asked to memorize several characters before the task starts. They will then do the task as before. They will be asked to recall the symbols that had been shown on the screen. The goal is to proceed through the task as quickly and accurately as possible. The participant can decide to have a 10 seconds or 1 minute break after finishing 2 sections of the test. We measure the effectiveness of multitasking with 3 different aspects. First, we note the accuracy by recording how many mistakes had the participant made. Then, we jot down their average speed for clicking a symbol. Finally, we write down the selected break time for each of the participants to record their durability.
As you can see from the data, young adults perform better in aspects of speed, accuracy, and durability. The elder group takes more time than the younger ones to select an item from the toolbar. The average speed for the younger participants to select an item is 3.21 seconds, while that of the elder group is 4.46 seconds. The performance difference is 40%. Similarly, the elder groups make significantly more mistakes than the younger group. Young participants made an average of 0.07 mistakes through the whole test, while an elder one may make 0.67 average mistakes. The difference is almost 850%. In terms of durability, all of our young participants take only 10 seconds break, while half of the elder participants choose to take 1 minute break after the first 2 parts of the test. Both younger and older adults demonstrate a low standard deviation in terms of speed. That is, performances among the same age group is very similar. However, this is not the case for number of mistakes. The standard deviation for the number of mistakes made by the elder group is exceptionally large at 0.72, which indicates that the ability of multitasking among older adults varies significantly, even in the same age group. However, the result of our experiment is inconclusive, as our experiment was limited by a small sample size. Small sample size may lead to results that are not representative enough to show the whole picture. Also, we choose to limit the gender of our participants. The lack of gender diversity in the sample may lead to biased results, as women are generally better at multitasking than men. To improve, we should invite more people to join the test and collect more data. We should also invite female participants to make the experiment more fair. The reason why elders multitask slower and less accurately than young people is due to the change in brain, since human brain will start degrading after 40 years old. The most influential degradation is the wear of the white matter in the brain. The white matter is made up of cells called axons, which connects different parts of the brain. As a person ages, information transfer along axons will be much slower as they wear off. Therefore, the reaction speed of the elder group is slower. Moreover, the cortex is most affected by the declination of brain and responsible for accurate decision-making and complex behavior. Also, a hormone that controls cognitive flexibility will secrete lesser and lesser as aging. Low level of this hormone will lead to cognitive disturbance, such as Alzheimer's disease. As a result, such structural declination of brain lead to the drop of older adults' accuracy of multitasking when compared to the young adults.
Taken together, our findings suggest that there is a negative correlation between age and multitasking performance. The older the age, the weaker the ability. This applies to all three aspects of measuring multitasking performance, which are accuracy, speed, and durability. Therefore, older adults will not multitask more efficiently than young adults, especially when the task is related with accurate work. However, bear in mind that our results are not definite and individual differences may apply.